How to delete account on MetaTrader 5. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete your MetaTrader 5 account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your MetaTrader 5 app and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to delete. So as you can see here on your home screen, you should be able to see your codes. So all you have to do here is head over to the three lines icon at the top left. And then from here, you'll have an option to manage all of your accounts. As you can see right now, I currently have a demo account. So all you have to do is tap on manage accounts. And if you have multiple accounts logged in, it will be shown right here. So all you have to do now is select the account that you want to delete and tap on the three lines at the top right. Now from here, you'll have an option to delete account. So just tap on delete account and it will show you your account number that you want to delete. Now just tap on yes and then your account will be completely deleted. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.